Hey there, Wellness Wise family. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate breakfast lineup energizing foods to supercharge your mornings. We all know that a nutritious breakfast sets the stage for a day full of energy, productivity, and well-being. The right morning meal can fuel your body and mind, delivering long-lasting benefits. So, let's explore some of the best breakfast options to keep you energized and ready to conquer the day. First on our list is oatmeal, a whole-grain superstar rich in complex carbs, fiber, and protein, giving you a steady release of energy. Try our classic banana walnut oatmeal recipe for a tasty and nutritious start. Next up, we have Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which are fantastic for digestive health. Add some berries for a burst of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Our berry Greek yogurt parfait is quick, easy, and simply delicious. Avocado toast is another excellent choice. It's a satisfying and tasty breakfast that combines healthy fats, fiber, and protein. For an extra protein punch, top it with a poached egg using our simple avocado toast with poached egg recipe. Smoothies are incredibly versatile and quick to make, perfect for a nutrient-dense breakfast on the go. Our Green Power smoothie, loaded with spinach, banana, almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and honey, delivers a powerful morning boost. Last but not least, whole grain pancakes offer a fiber-rich alternative to traditional pancakes, keeping you full longer and providing steady energy. Start your day right with our whole grain blueberry pancakes. Remember, starting your day with a nutritious and energizing breakfast can make a world of difference in your overall health and productivity. By incorporating these delicious and easy-to-prepare options into your morning routine, you'll be ready to tackle the day with vitality and vigor. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Wise for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.